Hi to all. We are going to learn about adverbs. Adverbs describes verbs. In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is its role. Adverb. Basically, most adverb tell you how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, the place, a time of an action. So, adverbs can describes about a verb, about the action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. If you see some of are here, the first one is kind. A kind is an adjective, but when you add ly, kindly is an adverb. Happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. So here the adjectives changing into adverbs when you add ly. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. We already explained here, we already learned here. Kind is adjective. When you add ly, kindly, it becomes adverb. Some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. Here, they all adjectives, not adverbs. Even though they are ending with ly, they are not adverbs, they are adjectives. Adjectives describes about noun and pronoun. Adverbs describes about verb. The kinds of adverbs. Adverbs describes manner, place, time, frequency, purpose, and reason. Manner. It describes which manner an action is done. Place. It describes where an action is done, inside or outside, up or down. Time. It describes when an action is done, when, what time the action is done. Frequency. It shows how many times an action is done. 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. Purpose. Reason. It describes the purpose or reason for the action. So these are the kinds of adverbs. Quantity and degree. It describes, it shows how much or in what degree or what extent. Affirmation or negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Affirmation and negation. Kinds of place. Here adverbs of place. Sorry, kinds different kinds of adverbs. The first one, adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrase answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. The boys are playing upstairs. Where they are playing? Upstairs. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? In the garden. Adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrase describe way people do things. The girl answered all the questions correctly. He was driving carelessly. Carelessly. The plane landed safely. So these are adverbs of manner. How they done. So it is saying about the manner. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. So it is saying the manner of the Ramu. Okay, carefully, beautifully, faintly, wonderfully. These are adverbs of manner. Next, adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrase answer the question how often an action is done. The children always go to school on the bus. by the school bus. Always, adverbs of frequency. I will never make that mistake again. Never. So it is saying that how often, how many times an action is done. Okay. I clean my bedroom every day. So here this saying about adverbs of frequency. Next, adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrase answer the question when. They called they are called as adverbs of time. The train has already left. So here already is adverbs of time. First already is a adverb. After that it is the adverbs of time. We moved into our new house last week. So the time last week is adverbs of time. Tomorrow at 6 o'clock, these are adverbs of time. Adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or what extent. He was too careless. Too careless. I am rather busy. These mangoes are almost ripe. The sea is very stormy. If you see here is too stormy, rather, fully, almost, these all are adverbs of quantity or degree. Next, adverbs of reason. The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverbs of reason. So the word which tells about the reason, it is an adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refuse the charge. Refute the charge. He therefore left school. So here hence and therefore they are saying about reason. Hence, therefore, so these adverbs of reason. Adverbs of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes, which say no when it is no. I don't know. So it is fact. He said I don't know because he don't know. So it is affirmation and negation. Surely you are mistaken. He certainly went. So these are the adverbs of affirmation and negation. Examples of adverbs: sweetly, clearly, loudly, cheerfully, slowly, neatly, patiently. Okay. So these are the different kinds of adverbs. Finally, adverbs describes about the action word, about the verb. Adverbs describes verbs, how the verb is doing action, where is the action, so how frequent the action. Simply adverbs are the describing words of verbs. Adverbs describes only verbs. Adjectives describes noun and pronoun. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel if you like this video.